Visualize a world in which fast and environmentally friendly sports cars coexist peacefully with one another and the environment. It is becoming more than just a fantasy to live in such a circumstance. The much-anticipated Toyota GR86 is ready to make a big stride in this direction as we get closer to 2025. In preparation for the next GR86, Toyota is ready to forge its own path after bidding farewell to its long-time engineering partner and the conventional flat-four engine. Toyota, which is renowned for its drive to enhance driving sensations, is giving the GR86 a novel twist as a response to the constant calls for turbocharging. The next generation vehicle will get its energy from its closely knit GR family, which includes the dynamic Yaris and Corolla, not from Subaru, according to the reputable Japanese website BestCarWeb. Toyota is obviously not avoiding the march toward decarbonization, as evidenced by rumors that the future model would feature a 1.6-liter turbocharged hybrid powertrain. In a world moving toward greener alternatives, the future of pure internal combustion sports cars has been a source of concern. However, Toyota is proving that the sporty spirit of sports vehicles need not be surrendered in the sake of sustainability with the upcoming GR86. On the contrary, these two can and will coexist, guiding us toward a more pristine and exciting future. Here's why the GR86 rules the sports car market and has upheld the history of Toyota's iconic sports vehicles. The Toyota GR86 comes with a new powerful engine. The GT86, a 2013 Toyota model, has a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that was capable of up to 100 horsepower at the time of the vehicle's introduction. Even though the Toyota 86 was incredibly entertaining to drive and its power output was eventually raised to 205 horsepower, it was still a bit low for a sports car. Therefore, the Toyota GR86, which took the place of the 86 in 2022, has a larger 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine with 228 horsepower. With a manual transmission, it scored a quicker 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 5.4 seconds as opposed to its predecessor's pace of 6.2 seconds, making the improvement in performance obvious. The Toyota GR86 from 2023 uses the same engine as well. Thus, compared to its direct rivals like the Mazda MX-5 Miata and the Fiat 124 Abarth, the Toyota GR86 presently boasts stronger acceleration and overall performance. The GR86 is an extremely agile sports car. How terrific of a sports car the Toyota GR86 actually is also determined by how well it handles. In the beginning, it has a lightweight body that also incorporates high-strength steel and aluminum for further stability. Because the engine is positioned low in the chassis, the car's center of gravity is also designed to maximize handling dynamics. To ensure the finest weight distribution and balance, it is also set up using the traditional FR front-engine rear-wheel drive arrangement. Likewise, the GR86 features an upgraded suspension with a limited slip differential and a multi-link rear suspension for increased cornering confidence. Also, the car's front fender air vents work flawlessly and direct air around the vehicle to keep it stable in turns. The GR86 is a truly exceptional sports vehicle based on its handling performance, which is supported by all of these parts and the gripping Michelin Pilot Sports 4 tires. It features a manual transmission. If you want a fun and interesting sports car, a manual transmission must be available. The Toyota GR86 with a stick is still adored by aficionados, even if more and more contemporary sports cars now feature automated transmissions for better performance and efficiency. In actuality, the manual transmission GR86 accelerates more quickly than the automatic model. Depending on the road and your driving style, the manual version gives you the flexibility to shift gears precisely as you please. As a result, you get a better driving experience and are more engaged with the GR86. And when you combine the GR86's superb handling with the manual transmission, using it is even better. The Toyota GR86 is track ready. With the help of the Toyota Gazoo racing team, the Toyota GR86 was developed. Gazoo Racing, which is Toyota's international racing subsidiary for motorsport, is what the name GR in the GR86 stands for. The GR86 therefore ships from the factory with components that are track-ready. It boasts an exclusive track mode that modifies the driver display to reveal more track-specific information including RPM, lap timings, and more. To give you full control of the car on the racetrack, the track mode also enables you to turn off or entirely disable the vehicle stability control VSC. In a similar vein, the GR86's improved suspension has also been optimized for the racetrack, and the Michelin Pilot Sport 4 tires it comes equipped with are intended to provide you tremendous traction both on and off the track. Its interior is driver-oriented. When you consider the Toyota GR86's performance and handling features, there's not much doubt that it's a driver-focused sports car. However, Toyota has ensured that the sports car's interior is equally focused on the driver. The GR86 is equipped with hot sports seats that have leather-trimmed bolsters as a start. The front passenger and driver can ride comfortably on these seats, which also keep them from rocking back and forth when the car travels down a winding racetrack or on a thrilling road. You may have a really great feel and touch to the driving components while operating the GR86 thanks to the leather-trimmed steering wheel and shifter lever. Likewise, the multi-information display mid controls on the steering wheel are just enough to allow you to concentrate on driving the sports vehicle. It has an elegant and striking exterior design. A sports car should be eye-catching to look at, especially when you step out and do so after returning from an exciting trip and parking the vehicle. With its crisp, well-designed curves, the Toyota GR86 has a remarkably streamlined appearance. With a set of sporty headlights that are expertly incorporated into the front end of the automobile, it has an aggressive and aerodynamic front design. To complement its athletic look, the GR86 also has a black mesh grille and functional air ducts with black accents. The GR86's low-slung stance and harmonious lines demonstrate agility as it is turned to the side. Along with the air vents behind the front wheels, the wheel's placement toward the corners, and the fact that the car is planted in one place, both indicate that it is built for speed. With its striking rear spoiler, streamlined tail lights, and dual-cut black exhausts, the vehicle's design is aggressively styled from the rear as well. Modern safety features are found in the Toyota GR86. The Toyota GR86 has a lot of safety features, which is understandable given that you'd want to drive it quickly as a sports vehicle. The GR86 also has blind spot detection and the GR86 Safety Suite, depending on the type, to keep you safe even when driving on regular city streets. However, it comes standard with the following security measures to provide you complete peace of mind when driving the sports car: 7 airbags, traction control, electronic brake force distribution EBD, brake assist BA, and vehicle stability control VSC. It offers outstanding value for the money. The 2023 Toyota GR86 comes in 3 different versions: the GR86, the GR86 Premium, and the GR86 10th Anniversary Special Edition. The GR86 base model starts at $28,400, the GR86 Premium at $31,000, and the 10th Anniversary Special Edition at $34,360. Except for the automatic transmission, none of the version's performance varies. However, the GR86 Premium with manual transmission is recommended if you want a sports car with enough comfort features. The $31,000 MSRP for the sports car is a tremendous steal, especially when you consider how much fun and features you get. The Toyota GR86 is no exception to Toyota vehicles' reputation for unmatched dependability and durability. Your ability to drive the GR86 for a very long time without experiencing any significant technical problems is guaranteed by their dedication to excellence. Are you excited? Comment down below. If you've watched up to this point, thank you so much. For more videos about EVs, Toyota, Tesla, Ford, and the most recent auto news, please consider subscribing to Tech Addicts.